Have you ever wondered how small, seemingly obscure product ends up becoming massive revenue generator? Or why niche markets are the secret weapon for giants like Amazon and Netflix? In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of long tail effect. And trust me, this could change the way you think about products forever. So, are you ready to uncover the hidden opportunities in your market? Let's go. What is the long tail effect? First, let's break it down. The long tail effect describes how product in the tail, those that sells less frequently, collectively generate as much if not more revenue than the hits or bestseller at the head of the curve. Now, are you confused? Think about Netflix. While blockbuster movies like Avenger attracts millions, their long list of niche title adds up to billions in revenue. The same goes for Amazon, where obscure books you've never heard of sells consistently thanks to their massive catalog. Here's a question for you. Have you ever bought a niche product online? Drop a comment below with what was it, and I'm curious to see the range of interest. Why does the long tail effect matter? Traditional businesses often rely on bestseller, but the long tail effect flips that script. Here's why it matters for you: unlimited shelf space. Unlike physical stores, online platform can showcase thousands of products. That means every niche gets a chance to shine. Next, personalized recommendation. AI algorithm drive long tail effects by connecting niche products to the right customer. Think Spotify suggesting indie artist and you end up loving it. Next is low competition. Niche markets often face less competition, making it easier to dominate and create loyal audiences. Let's talk competition. What's one niche product you think could explode if more people knew about it? Share it below. Now let's look at the challenges of leveraging this long tail effect. Sounds amazing, right? But tapping into long tail effect isn't without challenges. Here's what you might face: discoverability issue. Niche products can get lost in the crowd if they are not marketed effectively. Next is scaling demand. How do you consistently find customer for your niche items? Many businesses struggle to reach the right audiences. Next is cost of customer acquisition. Marketing a product with low demand can feel like an uphill battle. Next is analysis paralysis. With so many options, customer might hesitate to buy. This is where trust building comes in. Have you ever struggled to find the right customer for your product or services? Let me know in the comment. I'd love to share some tips in future videos. Now let's look at some actionable steps to harness the long tail effects. How can you leverage the long tail effects to grow your business or brand? Here are the steps. Number one, niche down your offer. Identify a hyper specific audience or problem your product solves. The more targeted, the better results. Next is optimize SEO for discoverability. Use keywords, tags, and descriptions that directly address niche searches. Think of what your ideal customer would type in Google. If you can type it, the customer will also type the exact same way. Next is leverage data analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics or Shopify reports to identify which products are gaining traction. Even if it's small volume, don't worry about it. Next is collaborate with micro influencers. Partner with influencers who have a strong connection with niche audiences. They're often more affordable and effective than celebrities. Next is upsell and cross sell. Encourage customers to explore related niche products. For example, if someone is buying a gardening tool, suggest niche books on urban farming. Did you get the logic? Let's look at some real life example. I know that this long tail effect terminology could be daunting and I'm sure you're not yet convinced. Let's look at Netflix. Over 75% of views come from the long tail catalog and not the blockbuster. Are you shocked? That's the reality. Artisans selling hyper specific items like custom dog bandanas are thriving. Next is book authors. Indie authors on Amazon often make more collectively than traditional bestsellers. Let's dive into some frequently asked questions about the long tail effect. Can this work for small businesses? Absolutely. Start small, focus on your niche, and scale as demand grows. The next question is, how long does it take to see results? It depends on your marketing efforts, but consistency is key. What's your burning question about long tail effect? Leave it in the comment and I'll answer in my next video. Now it's your turn. Start by niching down your product and services and applying these steps. Remember, the long tail effect is your ticket to reaching untapped audiences. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs this transformation and information. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated and be invincible.